Okay, so what's he trying to do? He's trying to urinate. They won't let him pee. No, they won't. Why not? Because it's a... I don't know what to say. Well, how's he piping his words through his system anyways? Okay, can he pee or not? No, he can't. Yes, he can. Now let him pee. Okay, I'm telling you right now, if you sit down... Okay, let him pee, John. Let the pee come out of this, drink coffee. He has to urinate. He has a full bladder. Now let him pee. John, let him pee. Let's go. Hey, sir. Oh, you better be careful. John, why can't he pee? Let him pee. No, we're not going to let him pee. Why? Why not? Let him pee, John. Let him pee. Okay, so just, if you can squeeze it out, squeeze it out. That's all I can tell you. And there's a car that's going out there making a noise like a buzz sound. They jumped in their Mustang. It's probably what? A buzzer sound on his motor sound because he's urinating? Yeah, now they just zapped him again in his behind. Why? Let him pee all of it out, John. He knows that he has what? He ate cheese yesterday. He wants to have a hard time going to the bathroom. And so that's what he's